very soft and like delicate and like cloud-like. Excuse me. Welcome back, my beauties and cuties, for another video with me, Khaliyah, on Khaliyah Kurls. And so this video, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be trying to use the Aztec, what is this? I'm going to be trying to use the Aztec Secret Clay Mask, Indian Healing Clay Mask. And I'm going to mix it with apple cider vinegar, okay? Never done this before, but I've definitely heard of people doing it, and it's supposed to like really cleanse your hair and, it's supposed to really cleanse your hair and take it to a whole nother level. So I'm trying to level up, okay? Like Sierra says, level up, level up. Alright, so I'm basically just doing a shirt because I'm just going to rinse my hair and I'm going to just put my head under the faucet and wet it, okay? Because with these two ingredients, okay, you don't need to shampoo your hair. Because the purpose for these is to cleanse your hair. It's supposed to strip all that product and conditioner, whatever you left on your hair that you thought you got and you didn't. This is supposed to help get rid of it, okay? So hopefully my hair doesn't fall out or become extremely dry from using these. We're gonna cross our fingers, because if not, I'm gonna go crazy, okay? All you need is the clay, the cider, a non-metal utensil, and a bowl. So that can be a glass bowl or a plastic bowl, whichever you got, use that bowl. Just not a metal bowl, okay? It's something like it affects the mixture. I don't know. It was just said don't use it, so I'm not gonna use it. And then get your little plastic utensil. Yeah, cause I don't know if you got a glass utensil. I don't know. I got a plastic one, okay? And I thought I had a fork or a spoon, but I got a little plastic knife. Honey, I'm just mixing, okay? So yeah, when I get back, we're going to do a little mix, and then we're going to apply to the hair. Before we get into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell. Make sure you leave a comment below to say hello. And make sure you share with everybody you know. You like it, like the video. Alright, beauties, keys, so I'm back. I have wet my hair. I have saturated with water. Yeah. Okay, so now I got my little glass mixing bowl. And I just went and got a tablespoon. This is literally a tablespoon. Because it was like, you got to do equal parts and everything. I want to make sure I'm doing it right. So we're going to get these measurements. So I just opened the clay. Alright, so now I'm going to put the bowl up here. So, yeah, y'all can see it. So I'm doing dang it, I made a mess. 4 tablespoons. So now, get the apple cider. And I'm using the same tablespoon. I'm going to use this tablespoon to mix it. Alright, so it's the apple cider vinegar. Pour that in there. Oh, y'all, see that? Y'all hear it? Oh, ASMR. So we mix it, and we mix it, and we mix it. Okay. Get out of there. Alright, we gonna mix and mix and mix. Okay. That in there, get that consistency in there. Okay, so this, I hope you can see, this is how much I got. So I'm gonna put a little more powder in there. I'm gonna put a little more clay, because I don't think this is gonna coat my hair, to be honest. Alright, so let's add a couple more. Just finished my mixture. This is what I got. I don't know if I did it right, but I think this is a good consistency for me. Alright, so I'm gonna apply this to my hair, so let me get ready for that. So I'm basically gonna section my hair into 4 sections to make it easier, so that way I know I'm like evenly distributing the clay mask into my hair. So I'm using my Satin Scrunchies. I'll make sure I leave the link in my description to let you know which pack I bought from Amazon. Alright, so yeah, let me go and section my hair and I'll be right back. I section my hair into 4 sections. As you can see, I don't know how they look because I just did them randomly, because it don't really matter because we finna put this clay mask on, okay? Alright, so let me just go ahead and grab a little piece from the back. So that little section. I'm gonna grab my 4th scrunchie. Just kind of put this up. I'm gonna wrap it around one of them. Yeah. There we go. Alright, so I got my piece. And I'm not sure if you're not supposed to apply it with your hands, but I'm going to do it because I don't have gloves right now. I have to go buy some more. Alright, so I got a little bit. And make sure you work from root to end. Back when it's all done. Alright, my beauties and kitties, so I'm back after applying the mask to my entire head. This did take some time. I don't want to touch it because I just kind of rinsed off my hands and I don't want it back on my hands. So I'm going to leave this in for 30 minutes because I was doing a little research and people were just like, the longer you leave it in, the better it'll work. So I'm going to be like, a little 30 is a good little episode, so I'm going to do that. And I'm going to come back and apply leave-in conditioner. I'll let y'all know which leave-in conditioner I will use. I'll show it, of course, in the camera. But yeah, so rinse it out 30 minutes. Also, just think about this. When you rinse it out, start from the top and work your way down. That way, you know, like, it's going down. Because you know when water flows, it goes down, of course. And then when product is in it, it goes down. So, boop, 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 boop. Work it down. So, yeah, I'll be back when it's all rinsed out so y'all can see the result. Alright, bees and kitties, so I'm back, as you can tell. I rinsed out all the clay, hopefully. I spent a little time doing it. Make sure when you're rinsing it out, make sure you take your time because you don't want to, like, have some flakes later and you think it's dandruff and it's actually the clay that you didn't rinse out. So, yeah. So, I'm going to show you it. My hair does definitely feel, like, very soft and, like, delicate and, like, cloud-like. So, yes, it definitely came through. I would definitely recommend it. Make sure you don't, like, I don't think you're supposed to use this every week. Because when I do my research, people are like, yeah, use it 1 to 2 times, like, every month. Because it's, like, it's stripping away the, like, built-up products. So, in my head, as I interpreted that, is basically if you keep using this like every week or twice a week or something like that, it's going to keep stripping away, which means it's probably going to strip away the good stuff in your hair, like the moisture and everything that we're trying to obtain in our hair, right? Okay, that's how I think of it. So try to do this once, maybe twice a month. And for my leave-in, I'm going to be using Design Essentials Natural Hair Leave-In Conditioner, the almond and avocado. I really like this one, so that's why I'm just using it again. So I got me a little scrunchie. And now I'm just going to apply this to my hair. I'm going to tie up half of it because I'm going to do this very quickly. Alright, bees and kitties, so this is the end result after applying my leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna turn around so you can see the back. As you can see, my hair is nice and flowy, nice and airy. So yes, you should definitely try the Indian clay mix mixed with apple cider vinegar. But if you don't use apple cider vinegar, it also says you can use water. But that's just your preference, what you think is like best for your hair. So definitely try those two combos out. Also, something I forgot to mention with this leave-in conditioner is it's a moisturizing and detangling leave-in conditioner. So definitely recommend this. Like I said, it kind of just melts into your hair. It's very loose, so you can really just distribute it like a lot easier than using like a cream or something like that, something with a thicker consistency. So definitely recommend that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure you share the video, and I'll see you next week. Bye.